So, yes, I've been making things, and it's a little bit disorganized. And I've got too much right there. But this is one of two Rev-a-shelves that we have. And it's really transformed how I put my pots away. Even the heavy ones like this one. And I have to do some work on that. It's got a little rust. But yeah, I can put things away and I don't have to crawl underneath my cabinet to find things. We're doing one a month so that we can organize better. I used to have a drawer filled with these tins, and I'm putting plastic bags in them now. And I'm going to empty this out, and I'll put other things in it besides tins. I don't know yet. I hope it doesn't become another junk drawer. That would be nice if it didn't.